Students, now today we'll start a new exercise, that is exercise 3.2, and I will explain question number 1 and question number 2. Now let's start with question number 1. So in question number 1 it is written that the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. That means you see some numbers are given, so we'll define all those numbers as datas. Fine. So some datas are given of 15 students that they have scored in mathematics out of 25. So what we have to find out with all those datas? So we have to find out mode and median. Now students, you have to remember, whenever you see such question where you have to find out median, mode, okay, so the first thing that you have to do, you have to arrange all the datas, or you can say all the numbers which are given in the question in ascending order. Okay, so first of all we'll arrange in ascending order. Okay, we'll arrange all those given datas in ascending order. So if I arrange all those data, so the required ascending order would look like 5, it's the smallest number in the data, 5, then 9, then 10, then 12, 15, 16, and after 16, 19 is also there, and 20, there are 4 20s are there. So we'll write 20, 20, 20, 20, and then we have 23, then we have 24, and 2 25s are there. Okay, so this is a required ascending order of the given data which is given in the question. Now, the first thing that we'll find out is mode. Okay, mode. Very, very easy, students. Now, carefully observe this data and just try to locate a data, one particular data which has occurred maximum number of times in this ascending order. So, if you carefully observe, then you will find that 20 is the number which has occurred maximum number of times. So what is mode? Mode would be 20. So why mode is 20? As since 20 has occurred maximum number of times. And so this number 20 is considered as mode. Understood? So it's as easy as this. Now the next thing that we have to find out is median, students. Now to get the value of median, the first thing that you have to do is to see how many datas are there in the ascending order. Fine. So there are 15. Now this 15 will be represented by n. And what is n, students? N is number of datas, or you can write number of observations. Okay, so the first thing before you find out the value of median, you have to see what is the value of n. And what is n? N is number of datas. So number of data is what? 15. One more thing, 15 is even number or odd number. What is even number? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even number. And what is odd number? The numbers which are not divisible by 2, isn't it? So 15 is what? 15 is odd number. Okay, so when the number of observation is odd, then we have one formula for median. So let me write it for you. So median is what? N plus 1 by 2 tth term. Now I will explain tth term later on. Fine. So this would be the formula of a median when the number of observation is odd. Okay, it could be 11 also, it could be 13 also, it could be 21 also. But if the number is odd, then you will write this formula for median. Okay. Now the next step is that in place of n, you will replace the value of n. That is what? 15. So in place of n, we'll write 15 plus 1 by 2 tth term. Now 15 plus 1 is what? 16 tth term. Now reduce this. So 16 can be reduced by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So that would be what? 8th term. Now 8th term is not the answer, students. So 8th term is the 8th observation according to the ascending order that you have done. So which number is in the 8th position in this ascending order? So that would be the answer. So we'll count it. We'll start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 8th position, which number you can see? 20. So your required median would be what? 20. Okay. So this is your mode. Mode is what? 20. What is your median? Median is 20. Now the last answer, there's another question they have asked. Are they same? That means mode value and median value are same. Yes, they are same. So we'll write yes, they are same. So finally we'll conclude the sum in this way. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 2. In question number 2, we have to find out mean, median, mode. Three things that we have to find out now: mean, mode and median of some required data are given. Fine. And the data are of what? The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players. Okay, that means how much score the 11 players has scored in one innings. Okay, so what is the first thing that we'll do? We have to arrange in the ascending order. So the required ascending order would look like this: 6, 8, 10, 2 10s are there, 2 10s are there. How many 15s are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 15s are there. 3 15s are there. Then 50 is there. Then 80 is there. And then 100 and 120. 100 and 120. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out what? Mean. Then we have to find out mode, and finally we have to find out median. So let's start with, let's make a separate column. Mean. First of all, we'll solve mean here. So what is mean? We have all studied in my previous video. What is mean? Total number of observation by, sum of all observation. I'm extremely sorry. Sum of all observation by total number of observation. Yes, now it is okay. So sum of all observation, that means we have to add all this observation or data, as you can say. That is 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. 3 15s are there. Then 50, then 80, then 100, then 120. Now this all will be divided by total number of observations. Now how many observations are there? 11. Okay. Now what will be the sum of this all numbers? The sum of this all numbers would be what? 4 to 9 by 11. Okay. And if you divide 4 to 9 by 11, students, you will get 39 as the required answer. So what is mean? Mean is 39. Now let's find out the value of mode. So mode would be what? So this is mode. Now let's get the value of mode. So what is mode? So as we have learned that we have to see such an observation, you have to see one number which has occurred maximum number of times, isn't it? So which number has occurred maximum number of times? Yes, that is 15. So 15 is mode. So 15 is your mode, students. And why? Since 15 has occurred, you have to write this. Okay, 15 has occurred maximum number of times, and that is the reason why 15 is considered to be mode. Fine. Now median. Now how to get the value of median? What is the first thing that we have to see? number of observation, isn't it? So what is number of observation, students? What is n? N is what? 11, isn't it? N is 11, and 11 is what? 11 is odd number, isn't it? It is odd number. So now we'll find out the value of median. Now what is median formula? So median formula is what? N plus 1 by 2 th term. Now we'll write the value of n. What is it? It is 11. So 11 plus 1 by 2 th term. So 11 plus 1 is what? 12 by 2 th term. So we'll reduce this. So that is 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So it is a sixth term, students. So which number falls in sixth position? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 15. So your required answer is what? 15. Okay, so mean is what? 39, mode is 15, median is 15. Now what is the last answer? Last question they have asked, are they same? No, they are not same, because the value of mode and median are same, but the value of mean does not matches, isn't it? So we'll write, no, they are not same. No, they are not same. Okay, this is how we'll conclude the sum. I hope you all have understood this sum. This is a very, very easy and very scoring. Fine, so that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care, everyone.